All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Let's do the recap today. It was a pretty good day. Sorry, I'm just doing your recap a little bit late. We had a really nice trade on Tesla, the whole community.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
And a quick scalp on TQQ, but overall it turned out to be a very nice trade. And no position, I'm just holding some TNA. I think IWM is slowly moving up to 200. And some VOO, which is exactly essentially equal to a SPY. So let's see what happened today. It was a very volatile day on the market. Everything went up and then down. But Tesla at the open, it was very interesting. So at the open, Tesla had really activity. I think PPI came at 8:30. So it was a really activity on the pre-market. Heavy volume, sold off, bounced back from the previous day close, which previous day close is essentially S3. And if I want to actually show that to you here on this chart, it's S3, so S3 is at 236.48. So this is very important to show you guys that S3 is around here. So this is a bounce from S3. This is the type of trade that Thor does that a lot. So he shorted at R3 for the drop, or he takes it long at S3. So this is a very powerful trade that he did. He has a very high success rate on them. Works for futures and most of the stocks. As you see here, if you would have gone at S3, you would have gone long here. It would have been a very nice bounce. But I waited until a huge squeeze came up for the 1 minute opinion range breakup. Market in that time was also strong. I went long, added more, came down, tested my entry point, and then boom, popped up all the way up to 242, and I got out completely out of it eventually around here because I made really decent money on that. However, it came down, and then after that, it really nice pop all the way up. I think went up to 247. So I really missed this huge massive move on that, but I got a really nice pop with a heavy size on that. And as you see, for me, it was $8,247. Let me find the trade that Thor did actually here. So this is a trade that Thor did, and this is very important. Thor teaches really great trading based on the VWAP. So as you see here, S3 is sitting here, so he takes it long and then pop up, and he sell it toward the R4 here in this case. I just get a long entry here because I like the momentum to come up, and as you see here, this is such a very beautiful entry pop as you see. So that's it pretty much. I love that trade that Thor did. I think we had some really good trading there. TQQ also was somehow I was hoping that pop up came up, and I went long. Eventually I got out of it because I just didn't like that. And turned out to be a very volatile day for the market. Like IWM really ran up very nicely, and I'm surprised that rejected that R3. See, again, this is the trade that you can short it at R3. These are the things that Thor does really nice. The R3 turned out to be very nice. Shorting eventually IWM closed flat. Q is a little bit red, and S&P 500 also almost flat. Oils is down. Oil is down 2%, and overall a pretty solid day. So looking forward to see you guys more in the chat room and in the community, and thank you so much for watching. For those of you who guys watching this and you're not a member, we have a promotion that 1 week free access to the community. Just use the discount code FREEINTRO on our memberships free intro, which is on our intro membership. So just $1, you pay just for $1, and we put this $1 just to make sure that there is no bots signing up and only serious users, actually authentic users are coming. Thank you so much, guys. So a strategy that we discuss is buy at support S3 or S4, and then AMD. I was actually going to talk about the AMD. This is very important. AMD, I took a trade at S4, so and I didn't take that trade, unfortunately, and I'm really because I was done with my day. AMD sold off at S4 117.28. I took that long, but I was done for my day, and I look at this. I went long and I got out of it because I really didn't want to just take any other trade. And look at this massive bounce back that happened from from S3. So this was just a really amazing trade that we did. Anyways, so this is a very important strategy, you know, buying long at supports and shorting at the resistance. So we're all learning from Thor on that. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, please like or subscribe to our channel, guys.